Today, we're diving into 5 powerful tips for choosing the best music for your TikTok videos. So let's jump straight in. Hello and welcome to Affordable Socials, the go-to channel for all things social media. I'm your host, Jemima, a social media manager, content creator, and influencer. We drop weekly segments teaching you easy how-to tips and tricks for social media. Tip 1, know your audience. Understand your audience and what type of music resonates with them. Are they into pop, hip-hop, or maybe indie vibes? Tailor your music choices to match their preferences and keep them engaged. Tip 2, match the mood. Consider the mood and tone of your video when selecting music. Is it upbeat and energetic or more laid back and chill? Choose music that complements the vibe you're going for and enhances the overall feel of your content. Tip 3, pay attention to trends. Stay up to date with the latest music trends on TikTok. Pay attention to what songs are trending on the platform and consider incorporating them into your videos. Using popular music can help increase your chances of getting discovered and going viral. Tip 4, experiment with sounds. Now, don't be afraid to experiment with different sounds and genres. Mix it up and try a variety of music styles to see what resonates best with your audience. And you never know, you might discover a new favorite track that perfectly complements your content. Tip 5, consider licensing and copyright. Last but not least, always consider licensing and copyright issues when using music in your TikTok videos. Make sure you have the rights to use the music you choose, whether it's through TikTok's library of licensed tracks or obtaining permission from the artist or copyright holder. And there you have it, 5 tips to help you choose the best music for TikTok videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Please also let us know your favorite music to use on TikTok. If you need further assistance or have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email or live chat on our website. Thank you for watching and happy TikToking!